Hey guys, what's up? How's it going? This is Halloween Drawings. I'm glad you guys are back. We're going to be posting videos every single day until Halloween. Before that, today what we're going to draw is we're going to draw a Mario skull from, Mario Brothers. Before that though, I'm going to go over this. I know a lot of people have been asking about it. This is since I was younger and starting art, I went through this kind of art career and it's been, more or less bumpy. And I decided to totally and utterly quit several years ago. I just completely quit and I said I'm going to do something else. And I did start doing, I don't remember what it was, just pure web design and just completely getting away from anything related to drawing for the most part. And I just couldn't enjoy doing something else. And I managed to come back and I overcame a lot of the struggles of, learning to draw and, getting work. And I started this YouTube channel with other YouTube channels, and then now today I run YouTube full time and I teach people, and I also do art illustration for all kinds of companies and different people, and it's been just kind of a great ride. And what I really wanted was I wanted something to commemorate that, and I got this. This is my first book you can physically hold in your hands. It is full of various sketches that I'm not going to put anywhere. I'm not going to put on my Instagram. I'm not going to put on my Patreon. I'm not going to put anywhere. I'm going to only put it here for you guys that want to check it out. And it's a physical thing, and it kind of commemorates that journey. It's 24 pages of various, cool monsters. There's dragons. There's fan art. All of that stuff. And it's easy to contain. And that's pretty much the end of it. This is available now only for a very kind of small segment of time. I don't want to have this out, forever. So this is only gonna be around for a little bit. And one last thing, as a bonus, I will give a sticker because it's been so great. I will give a Mario sticker free that I normally sell for $5. I'm gonna give it to you for free when you get this book on sale right now. But that is up to you. This is only for people who kind of love, like I said, monster art, people that love concept art, people that love Halloween art. If you love that stuff, this is who that's for. That's pretty much it. That's the end of this whole, commercial stuff. Let's do the drawing. So let's go into Mario skull. So let's get into it. Right now we're going to start with this marker. Anybody can do it. Remember that. I am going to start with a round brush shape for the mustache, and I'm going to duplicate that shape on the other side. I'm going to pull up into the actual skull shape. Other side. See, this is a zygomatic arch. I'm gonna throw the hat early, the brim of the hat early, because I want to get that out of the way so I can draw the eyes underneath it. Throw on the top of the hat. I'm gonna start back here in bottom, and I'm gonna draw square row for the teeth. I'm gonna throw a straight line back here, and I'm gonna draw the back side of the skull over here. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna connect the hat, pull it straight over, pull it down. That's the back side of the skull. If I'm going fast at all, please remember, you can rewind this anytime you want. You can pause it anytime you want. Just remember that, and you're gonna be fine. Doing this stuff can take a little bit of time in terms of controlling your pencil, but it's really awesome that you guys are participating, and I really appreciate it. If you love Mario, give me a like, by the way, so I know what to, again, what subject matters to put on the YouTube channel. So down here, I'm gonna throw some C curves, and that's gonna be for the eyes. I'm gonna actually expand this right here because I drew that circle kind of shoddy. So, and what I'm gonna do is gonna fill this in. I'm gonna do the triangle here for the nose. And I'm gonna fill in this mustache, but I'm gonna leave a line right here for I'm gonna leave a line right there at the top for a highlight. I might even split that up into two shapes there. And then the last thing would be throw in this little kind of almost rising sun shape on his hat. And the M for Mario. That's pretty much it. That's a Mario skull. If you really want, you can throw a little extra line on the outside border of it. And that's pretty much it. Thank you so much, guys. If you did follow this along well, if this made sense, hit that like button. If you're a Nintendo fan, hit that like button. That's pretty much the end of the video. Thank you for listening to me, and I appreciate every one of you guys. Happy Halloween, and I'll talk to you guys soon.